Hello readers. So last week we were introduced to comparing and contrasting and cause and effect. Today we're going to review all 4 of our strategies that we've talked about. So last week we did these 2, cause and effect, compare and contrast. And then yesterday and the day before we did description and sequencing. So what we're going to do is take a look at each one of our anchor charts, our graphic organizers, and see if we can match the organizer to the strategy or the type of organization. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go through each of our strategies that we've gone through. So cause and effect is going to be first. In your Schoology assignment, you are going to match cause and effect to the graphic organizer that best matches along with the keywords. So cause and effect, the why and what. So this happened because of this. The keywords you're looking for are if, then, since, consequently, reasons why, because, as a result, or this led to. Cause and effect are just the 2 boxes. So cause, this happened, and this is the result. This is why. Or this is what, I'm sorry. So why and what. When you're doing your assignment, make sure you have these notes written because they will be very beneficial to you. So next we have compare and contrast. Same but different. Keywords are both same, different. On the other hand, alike, either similar, difference, although less, more, and then in contrast. So remember, the compare and contrast is the graphic organizer, the Venn diagram, the similarities and the differences in the middle, or a T-chart. Next, we have description, main idea and details. So this is the one we just did a couple days ago. So description, you're giving the main idea in the intro or the beginning, and then your details are within the text, using the words for example, one reason, also, is like, and for instance. And here are your graphic organizers. That's going to be your boxes and bullets, your brainstorming web, and then your main idea and detail web. Last but not least, the easiest of the 4 is sequencing or order. We're putting our story in order from beginning to end. First, next, then, finally. The numbers, later, since, and after are going to be our keywords. And then our graphic organizer, you're going to put them in order from 1 through 4 or however many, or you're going to use this little stepping stone diagram. So now you're going to take all 4 of these organization strategies and you're going to match them with the correct Venn diagram or the correct keywords or both. Good luck.